Looking for the best all-around full suspension mountain bike to conquer trails and city streets? You are in the right place. In today's video, we review 5 top-rated models delivering unmatched comfort, durability, and performance to help you make the perfect buying decision. Product number 1, the WEIZE mountain bike, is an outstanding entry-level option for casual riders and beginners. Built with a highly durable, high-carbon steel frame, this bike handles everyday bumps with absolute ease. The standout feature is its dual full suspension system, which integrates a front suspension fork and a rear coil shock to provide superior shock absorption on uneven terrain. Riders will love the 18-speed drivetrain equipped with easy-to-use twist shifters, allowing you to seamlessly find the perfect cadence whether you are climbing slight inclines or cruising flat dirt paths. Stopping power is handled safely by reliable front and rear linear pole brakes. The 26-inch all-terrain tires ensure great traction, and the adjustable ergonomic seat guarantees a personalized fit for riders between 5'2" and 6'2". If you need an affordable, easy-to-assemble bike for weekend recreational use without breaking the bank, the WEIZE is a fantastic starting point.
Product number 2, Outroad PATIO mountain bike. Next up is the incredibly versatile mountain bike. What truly sets this model apart is its brilliant foldable design. If you live in an apartment, commute, or simply lack garage space, this space-saving mechanism lets you stow the bike effortlessly in a car trunk or closet. Beyond its portability, it boasts a robust carbon steel frame and a highly responsive dual full suspension setup that soaks up rough gravel and city potholes alike. It features a reliable 21-speed gear system, giving you the versatility needed to tackle both steep hills and flat paved roads. Safety is paramount, and the Outroad delivers with dual disc brakes for rapid, weather-resistant stopping power. Equipped with 26-inch wheels and a quick-release front tire, this foldable mountain bike is the ultimate hybrid for urban commuters and light off-road enthusiasts looking for unmatched convenience and solid daily performance. Product number 3, Gravity FSX 1.0 mountain bike. This is a phenomenal choice for intermediate riders wanting advanced features without the premium price tag. Unlike the heavier steel frames on our list, the FSX 1.0 utilizes a lightweight, hydroformed 6061 aluminum frame. It utilizes a C-cantibeam single-pivot rear suspension alongside a long-travel Suntour front fork with adjustable preload, allowing you to custom-tune your ride's stiffness based on your trail. You will power through varied landscapes using the smooth Shimano 24-speed drivetrain, operated by intuitive easy-fire trigger shifters for precise gear transitions. When things get steep or muddy, the Tektro mechanical disc brakes provide exceptional fade-free stopping power. The quick-release wheels feature strong double-wall rims wrapped in grippy multi-tread tires. If you are serious about stepping up your trail riding game with high-quality aluminum construction and precision Shimano components, the Gravity FSX 1.0 is an absolute powerhouse.
Taking the 4th spot is the legendary Schwinn Traxion, a trail-ready beast built for aggressive terrain. The Traxion commands attention with its massive 29-inch wheels. These larger tires roll over rocks, roots, and ruts with significantly less effort than standard 26-inch wheels, providing unparalleled momentum and stability on rugged trails. The core of this machine is a premium aluminum dual suspension frame combined with a powerful Schwinn suspension fork, soaking up heavy impacts to keep your ride flawlessly smooth. It features a robust 24-speed Shimano drivetrain with crisp, easy-fire trigger shifters, ensuring you always have the right gear for steep, grueling climbs. To keep you safe on rapid descents, the front and rear mechanical disc brakes deliver crisp, all-weather stopping power. Built specifically for taller riders and serious off-road thrill seekers, the Schwinn Traxion delivers premium durability and massive traction for the ultimate off-road adventure.
product number 5, QARSWA mountain bike, is a highly adaptable model available in both 24-inch and 26-inch wheel configurations to suit various rider heights. Whether you choose the agile aluminum frame or the sturdy high-carbon steel variant, you are guaranteed a durable, lightweight ride. The QARSWA features a smooth 21-speed drivetrain controlled by rapid trigger shifters, offering effortless transition across changing landscapes. Its dual suspension framework, featuring front and rear shock absorbers, drastically reduces riding fatigue, making it perfect for long hours on the trail or bumpy neighborhood streets. You can ride with absolute confidence, knowing the dual mechanical disc brakes will provide instant, reliable stopping power in any weather condition. Arriving up to 85% pre-assembled and featuring a comfortable, high-elastic foam seat, the QARSWA is an excellent low-maintenance choice for both teenagers and adults looking for a versatile, stylish, and comfortable trail companion. For trail enthusiasts needing premium, lightweight frames and higher speeds, the Gravity and Schwinn easily justify their slightly higher price tags with unmatched off-road capability. Check the links below, and happy riding!